My name is Yasmin Sultana. I am from Philosophy Department, Nagaon College Autonomous. In this session of MAM, we got to know about many things about the status of women. Mainly, she said us about the women freedom fighters and many things that we knew, but she taught us in a different way. We were very benefited by this. We got enlightened in a different way. So we are very thankful that we got this chance to attend this lecture from MAM.
So myself, Dr. Dimple Dekarja, Department of Economics. So I have attended this ICSSR sponsored lecture program where the speaker was Professor Shubhada A. Joshi. So she has spoke nicely about the Indian philosophical thoughts which can help the women to empower in the present world. So I learned a lot from this session, and ma'am has nicely explained and enlightened us with her speech. Thank you.
First of all, I would like to thank ICSSR and NERC to facilitate Nagaon College by selecting the venue of such a lecture program, and the resource person they have selected truly so nice. Madam discuss in a topic which is the need-based topic, and while Government of India sponsoring AMRIT, KAAL, VIMARSH, AMRIT, KAAL, etc. Along with this, such a topic will contribute definitely for the national development to become India as a developed nation by 2047. And Madam has very truly explained the role of women folk, the 50% of humanity of India, to play the role, and she has mentioned a legacy from the very first of human civilization, particularly of Indian context, up to the present day situation. Normally we familiar with such a talk with feminist group, where we learn in such a way that human folk are like the ghost in the society, that all the time they are ready to exploit women. But Madam's lecture truly contradict such a view, that are construct. It is not a reality, it is a myth-like, and all that she cited the examples, all that supports that in Indian tradition, truly if we say from the Vedic period, there is no such class difference between men and women. If we talk about Vedic period, the gist, the basis of Indian culture truly make men, women equal, the human being. So such a lecture will benefited with the faculty members of the college, along with our students get enlightened by, and such a way ma'am express all that truly appreciable. And finally I thanks all that ICSSR, NERC and the college authority, and lastly the madam, she has taken up such a pain from Bombay to the Nagaon and enlightened us in this way. Thank you all.